What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tutorial Tuesdays. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play the other side on the ukulele. No, not that the other side. The other side from the Greatest Showman. And I love the song, so if there's any more from the movie that you'd like and want to see a tutorial for, please leave a comment below. I'm going to be going through one verse and one chorus of the song. There's 3 of each, but if you know one, you pretty much know them all. So I'll play through that. I'm going to give you the chords, the strumming pattern, and then just some of the differences between each of the verses. So here we go. Right here, right now, I put the offer out. Don't wanna chase you down, I know you see it. You run with me and I can cut you free out of the drudgeries and walls you keep in. Trade that typical for something colorful. And if it's crazy, live a little crazy. You can play it sensible, king of conventional, or you can risk it all and see. Don't you wanna get away from the same old part you gotta play? Cause I got what you need, so come with me and take the ride. It'll take you to the other side, cause you can do like you do, or you can do like me. Stay in the cage or you'll finally take the key. Oh dang, suddenly you're free to fly. It'll take you to the other side. So, first off, chords you're gonna need to know. A minor, G, F, E, D, and I think that's it. Chord progressions, for the intro, it's A minor, G, F, and then nothing. So just a stop. And then the chord progressions for the chorus are F, C, G, A minor. Like that. So for the intro and first verse, it's pretty easy. It's just down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So right here, right now, I put the offer out. Don't wanna chase you down, I know you see it. And then for that, when you don't play any chords, I just kind of mute the strings and then tap along with the beat right there. So it's not too hard. Then once you get to the chorus, then it changes up a little bit. You can just play with the beat and it'll still sound pretty good. For example, don't you wanna get away from the same old part you gotta play? So you can just kind of play along with the beat, or sort of what I do is I do the first 2, like, don't you wanna get away? And then right there, on the 3rd beat, I do a down, up, down, up, down, up. Don't you wanna get away from the same old part you gotta play? Cause I got what you need. And that sounds pretty good too. So the next verse and next chorus are the exact same as the first. So all you need to do is play the same chord progression. However, once you get to the 3rd verse where it's more talking, where P.T. Barnum's like, now is this really how you like to spend your days? Whiskey and misery and parties and plays. So it starts off with F. You do an F, tap, C, tap, G, tap, A, G. And do that one more time for when Philip Carlisle is talking. If I were mixed up with you, I'd be the talk of the town. Disgraced and disowned, another one of the clowns. So, again, F, C, G, and then A minor, G. So the next part is the same chord progression, but you would finally live a little, finally laugh a little. Just give me the freedom to dream and it'll. Now the next part's a little different as well. The wake you up and cure your aching. Wake you up, F, and cure your aching, D. Take your walls and start them breaking, F again. Now that's a deal that seems worth taking. And then D again, but I guess I'll leave that up to, and then E. You, I'm just gonna play that. And then it gets to the bridge, which gets kind of even weirder because it's even less singy than it already was. So you can kind of just play the similar chord progression you had been playing earlier, the F, C, G, A minor. Play that along with it. Well, that's intriguing, but to go would cost me greatly, so what percentage of the show would I be taking? And you could kind of just keep doing that again. Fair enough, if you'd want a piece of all the action, I give you 7, and we could shake and make it happen. Here's where it starts to get stingy again. Goes to E. I wasn't born this morning. 18 would be just fine. Then P.T. Barnum goes F. Why not go ahead and ask for nickels on the dime? And then E. 18. I do 8. 12. Maybe 9. And then 10. There's nothing with that. Just say 10. And then they agree on that. The last chorus is the same as the first two with the F, C, G, A minor chord progression. However, the last time you play it, you do F, C, G, and then you do E instead of A minor. And then after the E, you play A minor once to close it out, and then you're going to mute it real quick. Like that. So it's going to sound like this. Because if we're going to the other side, we're going to the other side. And then that's how it ends. So that's about it. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like or subscribe to my channel. If you have any ideas for any more tutorials, whether it be ukulele or not, I'd love to hear them. So please leave a comment below. Again, thank you guys for watching. Peace.